Regular exercise offers mondo benefits to your physical and mental health, but developing an exercise routine can seem daunting if you haven't worked out in a while. If this is you, don't worry, you can do it. You just have to take it slow, go easy on yourself, and try to have fun. Ready to get moving? Keep reading for our expert tips for exercising when you're out of shape, below. 1. Walking. Just walking for a few extra minutes each day can make a difference. Plus, being outside in the fresh air, especially around nature, can boost your mental health. Build a walk around your neighborhood with your morning coffee into your daily routine, or the next time you hang out with a friend, invite them to hike in your local park instead of crashing in front of the television. If you're mostly sedentary, try adding a 10-minute walk to your day to start, and increase the amount of time every day. Add little moments of walking into your day. For instance, get off the bus a few stops earlier and walk the rest of the way home. 2. Bodyweight exercises. It's important to follow a well-rounded exercise routine that includes both cardio and strength training. But when you're a novice lifter, getting a gym membership, let alone working out in front of people, can feel a little overwhelming and expensive. Luckily, there are a lot of strength training exercises you can do anywhere, without any supplies except your own body. Try crunches, wall sits, and push-ups for great strength training workouts that require no special equipment. 3. Spin class. Spinning is a great form of exercise for the novice health nut because it's super easy to modify the workout to your comfort and ability levels. Not only that, a class offers you the added social benefits of an enthusiastic teacher and fellow students. You'll feel supported by your community of spinners and maybe even develop some new friendships. If you're worried about exercising in front of a group of strangers, don't worry. Many spinning classes take place in dimly lit rooms, meaning if you need to slow down or stop, nobody is likely to notice. 4. Yoga. Yoga might not be what you think of when you think of working out, but it's a great way to stretch and increase flexibility. Like spinning, it's also a workout that's easily modifiable, so you can start simple, and move on to more complex positions as your body becomes stronger and more flexible. All exercise is great for your mental health, but yoga in particular is extremely beneficial for your emotional well-being. It's also a great way to warm up before a more strenuous workout, or cool down after. 5. Swimming. Swimming is not only fun, it's a great form of physical activity for beginners and hardcore exercisers alike because it increases your heart rate without straining your joints. Visit your community pool, gym, or body of water and splash around for a few minutes each day or a couple of times a week to get in better shape and boost your mental health. If you'd like to watch more video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.